Okay, Mike over there and I are doing our water heater. Get this one in and out. We like double teaming them because it makes it quick, fast, in a hurry. Should only take us, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes. We got the transfer pump here. I think this one's 18, 19 years old, so it's due, and he's been having problems with the pilot. So we are gonna, I'm gonna turn the camera off while this pump runs because it's loud, but we will come back to you. Alright, so we had the transfer pump hooked up, and that valve down there is clogged. So we're going to have to put this in. I hope. But we got to get some pressure off the tank. Bleed it off the TMP. Oh boy. Oh man. That's even plugged. Go open up the sink in the bathroom. On the hot water side. It might go open up the sink in the bathroom. I thought this was going to be a 45-minute change, but now it just turned into something else. Holy crap, everything is crusted out of this thing. Okay, I'll be able to turn it. Now we got 40 gallons of water in here. So let's see how wet we're gonna get. Make sure you shut the valve. Oh, not bad, not bad. There we go. That's my contraption to... Oh yeah, that's good and plugged.
Ew. Ew.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's plugged. Alright, so turn it, yeah, turn it on, Mike. Yeah, here, now we got some water. There we go. Okay, so old tank out. We got our stubs soldered on here. And now I got some no slips. We're gonna put this back. Set you over here. Now you can't see. Got some no-slip couplings, so I can just get this thing in position here. And then we'll put a mark on it, where I'm going to cut it. Get a marker, Mike?
A marker?
Yeah.
I think the one in my bag is gone. I don't think I have it.
That's alright. We're good. I just gotta throw a mark there. Here, take this off. Just cut it really quick and slide it into place. spin it. Let me just save these stubs for the next water heater. Before you put that on, like, you gotta mark where it's gonna be. Put that on there. Throw a mark right there. Because I don't have a marker, I'll just score the pipe. Because, you know, on a normal one,
It'll stop it.
it'll stop. It's got the stop in there. But this one, and when you raise it up to the mark, right there, that should do it. That should do it, man. Press away.
Get the presseroni out.
This one wasn't too bad, huh?
No.
I thought it was going to be a train wreck.
Yeah, the beginning was a little scary.
Right on. Well, that certainly sucks. It's probably got to go back that way along. Maybe, yeah. Push the tank back that way, just a little. Alright. Double tape. Yeah, nope. 'Cause I don't have it in a bag.
Oh, you know what? I have a whole bunch on that truck.
I think the installer swiped mine the other day.
I have like four bins of that green stuff.
Alright. This wasn't too bad. Thought it was going to be worse. Hopefully the gas line's up. Son of a bitch. Wow, that thing just sliced me bad. I just pressed down on that draft hood and it sliced my finger. Holy crap. Wow, that was like a razor. Look at that. That sucks. Got it too far back. There we go. There we go. That's better. Need a little adjustment. Little adjustment. Put that draft hood on. That damn draft hood is like a razor.
Did you slice yourself?
Yeah, slice my finger.
Damn. Those are sharp as hell.
Screw in and I'll be out of your way.
Okay. Sorry, I get antsy to do the gas line.
Oh man, we don't have any blue. We don't have any blue dope for your pleasure today.
We got green stuff.
Green. We're doing green today.
Better than tape, you know.
No tape. Tank was rusty crusty on the inside. Damn it, I'm bleeding all over. Oh shit, she's still got water in her. Oh, come on. You get in there. Man, chunks are coming out of the bottom of this thing.
I could imagine.
Oh, look at that. Yuck. Look at that, Mike. Nasty. That's what's coming out of the bottom.
Ooh.
Nasty. That's wicked. Wicked nasty. I think the installer swiped one of my frickin' channel locks. That new installer, Sean, he's got like all the same tools I do. He's got the same channel locks.
That's never
same
good.
batteries. He almost swiped one of my batteries. I'm like, you're killing me, dude.
Gotta label everything now. Initials.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say it just went crooked. Good chain. Let me see your channel watch. Oh, I'll give it mine so I don't bleed on yours.
Okay.
Straighten this pipe out and swing it over a little.
That looks better.
Yeah. All right. Filling them up.
I don't know, that might have been record time.
Alright, later. Well, I'll go get the gas leak detector. If everyone wants to see gas leak detection.
Start it though?
Yeah, right. Okay, so another one down. Just a quick 45-minute swap. And we're going to get the other one out and get all our stuff out of here and we're good to go. She's got a little water in her still. Little, tiny bit. Hold on, Mike. Hold on. I gotta find somewhere to grab it.
Alright.
Good?
Yep.
This is easier than taking a boiler upstairs.
Oh, gosh. I haven't experienced that and I don't want to. I'll pivot.
It's easier than taking a boiler up the stairs. Well, that was certainly an easy one. You know, a lot of guys make comments, oh, it takes 2 guys to do a water heater. Well, if you don't want to hurt yourself, it's just, I mean, I can do it myself, that's not a problem. But I don't feel like hurting myself. If I hurt myself, guess what? I'm not coming to work just because of a water heater. So, I mean, we do them by ourselves, that's not a problem. But if we got 2 guys and we don't, you know, we got 2 guys, I mean, just use 2 guys. It's not, you know, it goes faster. You don't hurt yourself taking the water heater up and down the stairs. It's just, that's how we do things. You know, plumbers are like, oh, that's pretty sad. It takes 2 guys to do a water heater. It's like, okay, super tech, you fucking bust your ass getting that thing up and down the stairs, and then 5 years later you can't fucking walk because you fell down the stairs on a water heater. You can be a super tech. I ain't. Though my days are done doing that shit. So when it comes to water heaters, that's the only way to go. Have 2 guys, makes it easy. You don't strain yourself. It's just, you know, we don't want to get hurt. We want to come to work tomorrow. So that was just a quick, easy swap out. Nothing to it. And we are off to the next one. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.